Welcome to the last week in Module 3. In this lecture, we'll be continuing our work with Structure 3.5, Des nombres à retenir. Our focus is going to be on counting for numbers above 60 up to 1,000,000, although in this lecture, we're really going to talk about numbers between 60 and 100. Let's start out with some tens. 60 in French is soixante, 70, soixante-dix, 80, 80, 90, 90, and 100, cent, which you probably already knew because you know that a cent is a penny. It's 1/100th of a dollar. So let's look at some of the math that's going on here. Soixante is pretty straightforward. It's just the word 60. But soixante-dix, what is that? Right, it's 60, 10. And 80 is 4 20s. 90, 4 20s, and 10. The French really know their multiplication tables because they do these numbers. Let's take a look at how it works. 60 is pretty easy, right? 61, 62, 61, 62, 63, etc. But once we get up into the 70s, we have to do some math. So for 70, again, it's soixante-dix, which is 60 and 10. 71 is soixante-onze, 60 plus 11. Soixante-douze is 60, 12. Soixante-treize, 60 and 13. Soixante-quatorze, 60 and 14, and so on. Now, the important thing to remember here is that when you get to 67, 68, and 69, you have to remember that to say 17, 18, and 19 in French, we say 10, 7, 17, 10, 8, 18, and 10, 9, 19. So when we're saying 79, we would say 79, 60, 10, 9. Don't roll your eyes yet. It's going to get worse before it gets better. The 80s have some multiplication. 80s, as we said a little bit earlier, are 4 20s. This is pretty easy because we go all the way to 9. 4 20s plus 1, 4 20s 2, 4 20s 3, 4 20s 4, etc. 81, 82, 83, 84, all the way up to 89, which is 89. But look at the craziness in the 90s. In the 90s, we said that 90 is 4 20s plus 10. So now we have to do the whole teens thing again, just like we did in the 70s. 4 20s 11, 4 20s 12, 4 20s 13, 4 20s 14, and so on. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, and then we get to 17, 18, 19. Up at the end, we have to say 4 20s plus 10 plus 7, 4 20s plus 10 plus 8, 4 20s plus 10 plus 9. So 99 then becomes 99. 99 is 90. Isn't it nice when you get to 100 and it's cent? We'll be talking more about this in lab this week. So review this as many times as you need. Do take a look at the textbook on page 75 so that you can get some more information. And we'll be practicing these. Trust me. See you soon.